Hey guys, it's Dee from SlickAzz here. I just wanted to go over a few things with your aftercare once the PPF is on your vehicle. We do get quite a few questions on how to care for it, obviously once it leaves the shop. So I've got a car here. I'm just going to show you a few things on how to look after it and the basic aftercare do's and don'ts. So yeah, come on. We've got a car here. I've done some PPF on it. We're still halfway through, but I'll show you a little bit on what to do and what not to do. So every car that gets wrapped in our shop comes with a detail spray. So this spray is essential for the PPF. You 100% need to use this. Essentially, it's like a moisturizer for the film. I like to think of it like a conditioner for your hair or your skin. It's the same thing. If you don't use that, obviously your skin and your hair is going to get quite unhealthy and not happy. So same with the film, you just need to look after it. This just keeps it nice and hydrated and moisturized. So definitely be using this. One of the big things we get asked is, how do you wash? Yes, you can use a gurney is one of the big questions. You just have to stay a meter back. So it's more so being mindful where your edges are. So a lot of the cars have obviously panels where we can't wrap edges into. There's physically no panel to wrap film around. So it is cut on the flat face. So it's just being mindful of those edges like that, staying kind of a meter back with your gurney. If you've got an extremely high pressure gurney, staying a little bit further back. In terms of products to use, no harsh washes like truck washes, acids, any kind of really strong products like that. We recommend trying to stick to like Bowden's, Maguire's, anything that's kind of well known to look after cars. Anything ceramic safe is also PPF safe. Once you wash your car, dry it down and use that detail spray every wash. That's pretty well essential. You also get a aftercare card. I know the checkout process is really full on, so this just has all your details on it with what to do if you forget. So essentially, after you pick up the car, there will be some water sitting under the film still. It's like window tint. We do apply with water, so there can be water under the film. Don't wash for 7 days. This just allows that water to dry out. Don't press the bubbles either, it can distort the film. After that 7 days, you can just wash as normal. Another big question we get asked is, can I put my car through a car wash? The answer to that, unfortunately, is no. Car wash water is recycled, so it is not very good at all for the film. They chuck heaps of chemicals into the water underground to reuse it, which cleans the water. The chemicals then sit on your film and can stain the film. So not good. If you do have to use it on a rare occasion, make sure you wipe your whole car down so the water's not drying on the film. Like I said, it's not recommended at all. The self-healing properties, we do get a lot of questions about that as well on pickup. So how do they work? Essentially, darker cars are always going to self-heal a lot quicker than lighter cars. It's all through the heat of the sun. So we recommend after you go full driving or even washing, doing whatever with it, just leave it out in the sun for a few hours. Sometimes it can take a little bit longer depending on how deep the scratches are. And then a lot of them will self-heal. Obviously deeper ones, if you do gouge the film, they won't heal out, but there's not really any need to get your hair dryer and dry it out. Just let the sun do its job. So that's pretty much all you need to worry about with looking after your film. As long as you follow those strict rules, you'll never really have an issue. Essentially, just treat it like your paintwork. The better you look after it, the longer it's going to last you. So guys, that's about it. If you've ever got any questions, give us a call, even an email. We'll definitely help you and answer any of your questions. That's all. Thanks.